If you want to connect a Wi-Fi dongle to your TV, the first thing to understand is that compatibility matters. Some TVs support specific USB Wi-Fi adapters, while many modern smart TVs already have built-in Wi-Fi and don't need one at all. Check your TV's manual or go into the network settings to see if it lists support for a wireless adapter. If it does, plug the USB Wi-Fi dongle directly into a USB port on the TV and then head to Settings, Network, and Wireless to search for available networks. If you're using a streaming dongle instead, such as Google Chromecast, Roku Streaming Stick, or Amazon Fire TV Stick, that plugs into an HDMI port and usually requires USB power. After plugging it in, switch your TV input to the correct HDMI source and follow the on-screen setup to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, test it by opening a streaming app to confirm it's online. If your TV doesn't recognize a standard USB Wi-Fi adapter, it likely doesn't support generic drivers, and using an HDMI streaming device is the most reliable solution.